You too. You'll get it, man. It's fine. It'll work.
This is insane.
So missing the table.
So slow.
Well, he's got nothing but time. That came off. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
I know. That's what I said. He looks. He made it look easy. He made that. The tide's up enough. You think?
I think.
David said once that rock is over there is covered, we're good. That little one that's in the water, so it's touching it now.
Well, there's boats in the water too. But that was perfect. That's what you need.
That donkey went in smooth. Oh, they changed their mind about that?
It'll be good. It looks like a boat back here. I'm trying to look at Michael across the way, but yeah, I was thinking about putting over there with the cooler. I'll wait till you get here. I'll lose everything. Big boats hitting that freaking wall. You would have busted it.
Traffic jam, traffic jam. Alright, we're gonna see what these guys. This is gonna be like YouTube here.
We knew it last night because of the tide. I even told Joe.
Yep, we're waiting until it comes up and we're gonna put ours
It
in.
ain't coming up till 5:30.
No, it's coming up now. It's coming up now.
High tide is like 9. Oh, is it? Tonight, yeah.
Well, it's been coming up a little bit.
Oh, no, that's St. Pete is 5:30. Oh, St. Pete 5:30. Yeah, I was just listening to it. It ain't gonna be till...
Yeah, they're saying tide's not gonna be coming up until